National Electrical Code Article 440 covers air conditioning and refrigerating equipment. Section 440.14 discusses disconnecting means. Subsection A, General, states that the disconnecting means for air conditioning or refrigerating equipment shall be located at a readily accessible location outside the unit, within sight from and readily accessible from the equipment, or shall be an integral part of the unit. There is an exception stating that the actual equipment can be used as the disconnecting means where it is accessible and visible, firstly, for one piece of equipment, or secondly, for more than one if the equipment can only be serviced from the front. Based on the NEC, since the HVAC unit is an internal disconnect that the main feeder connects to which is non-fused, an external means of disconnecting or shutting off power to the unit is required for maintenance. This is because the internal disconnect is not readily accessible or visible from outside the unit, and the unit cannot be serviced from the front. A recommended solution involves installing a separate externally mounted disconnect switch or circuit breaker with the following specifications. Firstly, it needs to be rated for the maximum current draw of the HVAC unit. Secondly, it has to be located at a readily accessible location outside the unit. And thirdly, it should be clearly labeled for the HVAC unit it serves. Understanding these requirements is crucial for ensuring safe and compliant installations in data centers.